What up, babies? Back again. I'm back, y'all, with another video. Look, I had planned on having a review for you today, but I got caught up in something that happens every now and again, and it's frustrating. Look, before we get into the video, come on, y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff. But only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House Gang. Okay, this one is going to be I wouldn't say public service announcement, but instead of you going through what I went through, let me school you. What? Don't do what mamas did, all right? Now, y'all know mamas is a YouTuber, right? That sounds funny, but I am. I do YouTube videos, and I do have a camera, but because of Shaymoji, I don't use my camera. I use my iPhone for everything, seriously, except for my thumbnails. Right? I even use iMovie on the iPhone for editing, right? So at times I have to reset my phone to factory settings to get rid of a lot of that residual memory documents that's in there, that even though you delete stuff, it won't go away, right? Because I remember when I first was heavy into doing the videos, my iPhone started acting up, like it wouldn't save my videos, and I was like, what is going on in America? And I was deleting stuff and it still was acting up. So I did some research, and I said, okay, I have to reset it. So I did that. I was doing that like every probably 3 months I reset it. Now the last year or so, like I said, the last 9 months, I would say 3 reset attempts have been very problematic, y'all. Like O to the M to the G. Somebody testing me and they want me to bop them because iTunes was bugging. iTunes was bugging. Like they couldn't find the software on the iPhone. What do you mean, sir? I'm plugged into you with this iPhone. So for you to say sync an iPhone and have my little thing and I could click and see, what do you mean? It was so frustrating. So the last 2 times I was unplugging it, changing the cords, I got it to work. This time, absolutely not, sir. And I'm like, wow, is Apple trying to play me? Is Apple trying to do an okie dokie? Because it's this new iPhone now, right? Oh, so they want me to buy a new iPhone. That's what they want me to do. And you know, I was getting ready to throw in the towel, yo. I was getting ready to do it. But something say, girl, research. So I researched it, and a couple of shady people came up trying to get you to go to this website and don't do that. Don't do that. You hear me? Outside websites are not necessary. Don't you dare do it. What they do is they're going to get your information and they're going to wipe your iPhone out and you ain't going to never get it back. So no. So I found this young man who said, okay, yeah, iTunes is limited in the things that they do, but your iPhone can do it for you. I'm like, huh? Now, I know some of y'all gonna be like, yes, mamas, why you ain't know? Because I'm old, y'all leave me alone. It's some old, I'm not the only one. I know somebody watching right now that can benefit from this information. Y'all, you don't have to use iTunes to factory reset your iPhone. All right. So, what I normally would do is I would download my iPhone, my iPhone to my computer. Right? Because I wasn't paying no 99 cents for no iCloud nothing. I wasn't gonna do it. Get out of here. No, I don't need all that. But because of this situation, the guy was like, you can you can erase your iPhone from your iPhone, as well as restore your iPhone from your iPhone with the iClouds. And I was like, okay, so all of my iClouds wasn't updated. I didn't have my pictures and my videos on there. So that's the main important thing. So I said, okay, so now I have to pay for it. Don't do what I did. I went and got the big one. I went and got, what is it, 200 gigabytes? And all I needed was 50. But I don't know. I'm going to play around. I got an iPad and Lonnie's still using my iTunes and stuff. So I don't know. Maybe 200 ain't that bad. It only costs $2.99 a month. What's that, $36 for a year? That's not bad. But if I could go with the 50 for 99 cents and get everybody situated, I'm going to do that. But anyway, so I downloaded, and I've been trying since last night. So I finally backed up the iPhone because the pictures took forever. So I finally did that, and but now I'm nervous because I had to switch things around so everything could download, right? And I'm not that computer savvy, even though I ain't gonna complain. I'm a little okay. Stupid, right? So now I'm nervous. Like, all right, if I restore from this iPhone, this iCloud, is it gonna Shaymoji, all this stuff? Because remember that time I lost Shaymoji and I had to do it from scratch? At least I thought I did, but then it came up. Oh my goodness, y'all. So now I'm scared because I got some stuff on my phone that's very important to me. Anyway, so I'm like, it gotta be a way that I don't have to use iCloud. Then I said, iTunes. You don't have any problems when you back up your iPhone to iTunes. It expeditiously, it happens fast. I mean, not that fast, but it take a couple of, like, maybe 30 minutes, maybe. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. You know what I'm saying? So I said, I had just backed it up last night. So I said, let me back it up again. So I backed it up again. So now I got on my iTunes, it said iTunes, iClouds, and this computer. Everything is today. And I'm like, okay. So I went to my phone, y'all, and this the iPad right now, but well, I can show y'all. I can't show y'all because I'm on the phone. Stupid. Okay, so this is an iPad, but it's the same. Y'all know it's the same thing. Okay, so you go down to General, and you go all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you go to Erase All Content and Settings, right? You hit that. And then it prompts you what to do, y'all. Right? And so you erase everything. So this is so cool because you don't need iTunes at all to erase all your stuff. So when you want to restore everything back, now, of course, you had already either downloaded it on your iTunes or you downloaded it through iCloud, right? So when you want to restore it, you turn it back on and it puts you through the prompts. And then there's one section where it asks you, is this a new iPad or do you want to restore from something previous? And your iCloud stuff will be there, and you select it, you put your little password in, and then you can do it. But if you plug it into your iTunes via your computer, it works too, because that's what I did. I didn't do it through my phone, and I was very happy about that. So yeah, y'all, so I really didn't have to get an upgrade on iCloud, but I'm kind of glad I did, because you know what, I'm definitely going to change it from the $2.99 to 99 cents, because I really don't believe I need 200 gigabytes. We ain't got that much stuff over here, but I have it for this month at least, and I'll do everything, get everything all downloaded, and see if it goes over 5, because right now it's like at 34, just my phone, and Lonnie ain't got nothing. Yeah, so after I send everything to iCloud, because truthfully I don't have the iPads or nothing on iCloud. All I had was my little phone, whatever little piece I had, because I was like, I don't care. But I don't know, maybe I'll keep the $2.99, or maybe I'll downgrade. Anywho, Yeah, I hope this was helpful. Was this? Put it down below, Joe, if this helped anybody, okay? Look, that's it. And that's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts. And you'll be good.